Let's do hands-on with Boolean operators. In this SQL, I have two conditions in where clause. Job ID equals to st underscore clerk or salary equals to 2500. I'm just ordering it by job ID and salary so that we can easily go through the result. So let's take a look at the first row. Job ID is pu underscore clerk. So the first condition is not met, but yet this row is part of the result. If we check, we'll find out why. Because the second condition is met. Salary equals to 2500. Same is the case here. And if you look at the fourth one, the first condition is met, st underscore clerk, and the second condition is not met. So it appears on the result. If you look at these rows, both the conditions have been met. Now let me use or not combination. So here it means job ID is st underscore clerk, or I don't want anything where salary equals to 2500, meaning that bring me everything where salary is not 2500. About 50 rows came. If I scroll down, it brought everything where the job ID is st underscore clerk. It also brought rows where the job ID is st underscore clerk and the salary is 2500. Even though I said I don't want anything from 2500, here the first condition has met, and that's the reason these rows appear. And if you look at the other rows, sh underscore clerk, they appear because the salary is not 2500. So the second condition is met. I can achieve the same thing using this SQL, which is easily readable and understandable. Same 50 rows where job ID is st underscore clerk or salary is not 2500. Let's go to AND operator. Here I brought rows where job ID is st underscore clerk and salary is 2500. It's very simple. You see both the conditions are met, and so they are part of the result. Let me use AND NOT combination. Okay, so here I'm saying the job ID should be st underscore clerk, which is there, but I don't want anything where the salary is 2500 within that set, because that's a feature of AND. So within st underscore clerk, it brought me everything where the rows are other than 2500. Okay, about 17 rows came in. I can do the same thing in this SQL. Same 17 rows where I'm comparing job ID is st underscore clerk and salary is not equal to 2500. Thank you for watching.